Hello friends, my name is Shaikh Akshay Kumar Ashruba and today's date is 19th August 2021 and today's our video topic is various sorting techniques inside AD. So what is sorting? Sorting is the process of arranging the elements of an array so that they can be placed either in an ascending order or descending order. It is depend on a condition. When we can add a condition, then it will stay ascending, and we another condition, then it will descending. So we see all types of sorting, that is bubble sort, bucket sort, selection sort, insertion sort. So now we see a bubble sort. It is the simplest sorting method which performs sorting by repeatedly moving the largest element to the highest index of array. Okay, and it comprises of comparing each element to its side means adjacent element, and replace them with each other or accordingly. This is the bubble sort. Now we see another type of sorting, that is bucket sort. Okay, so what is bucket sort? Bucket sort is also known as a bin sort, and it works by distributing the element into array, also called buckets. Okay, in these sorting algorithms, buckets are sorted individually by using a different sorting algorithm. The next sort we see, that is insertion sort. As its name suggests, insertion sort means each element of array to its proper place. Okay, it is a very simple sorting method inside the array, in which is used to arrange the deck of cards while playing bridge. This is the insertion sort. Now the another type we see, that is a merge sort. That is another sorting technique is a merge sort. Merge sort follows divide and conquer approach, in which the list is first divided into the sets of equal elements, and then each half of the list is sorted by using merge sort. Okay, and the sorted list is combined again to form an elementary sorted array. Okay, this is all about merge sort. After that we see next type, that is the selection sort. Okay, so selection sort finds the smallest element in the array and replace it on the first place on the list. Okay, then it finds the second smallest element in the array and place it on the second place, and this process continues until all the elements are moved to their correct ordering, or ascending or descending ordering. It carries a running time which worse than insertion sort. In selection sort can worse time than the insertion sort. Okay, so now see insertion sort. As name suggests, insertion sort inserts each element of the array to its proper place. It is a very simple sort method. Which is used to arrange the deck of cards while bridge. This is the insertion sort. And in insertion, while preparing for insertion sort, we add one temp variable. So now we see another type of sorting, that is a comb sort. Okay, so comb sort is the advanced form of bubble sort. Okay, the bubble sort compares all the adjacent value Bubble sort compares all the adjacent, that is side nearby values, while comb sort removes all the turtle values or small values near the end of the list. Okay, these are the all sorting techniques. Okay, thank you.